I'm going to be sharing 4 ways that I make all this money online. And as you can see right here, this is the month of March 1st to 16th. In 16 days, I've been able to make $7,497 from the comfort of my home. And I'm going to be sharing with you the strategies and ways I was able to make all this money from the comfort of my home. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So, number 1 on my list is website development. Now, this is the best time to learn the skill, and I've shared a tutorial on how to design a website. So all you need to do is to just watch the tutorial and then you can start developing website for people. Now, there is what we call themes, and those themes are pre-made websites, and all you have to do is to just install it. So you can just make a website for anything, and all you need to do to get clients that are going to pay you money is simply to use your Google Maps, or you can go to their physical store. But if you don't want to stress yourself by leaving your house to talk to these businesses, all you have to do is to use your Google Maps. I've done a tutorial on this, on how you can get clients. I'm going to leave it in the description, or you can click here to watch the video, of course, after watching this video. So you're going to learn how you can use Google Maps that you have in your phone to be able to track your clients, your prospective clients. Let's say you want to work with gym companies. All you have to do is to just search for gym companies, and then you're going to see their contact, that you're going to send email, that you're going to call and tell them that you have an offer for them. Now, it doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter where you're located, it doesn't matter your country, you can learn this. It's very easy. I've broken it down the best way you can learn it, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Like I said earlier, all you have to do is to take your time and watch the tutorial over and over again, practice, and then you would be perfect. And that brings me to number 2, and that is no other than YouTube. I've been saying this over and over on this channel, and I've been teaching different ways you can start a YouTube channel, whether you want to start a faceless YouTube channel or with your face. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is to just start a YouTube channel, because YouTube is a money printing machine. You don't even know how much you can make from your YouTube channel. When I made this video right here, the video didn't get up to 1,000 views. I think the first day it got about 300 views. After like 100 days, 118 days, the video took off. And now the video has 191,000 views. You can see how much it has generated me, $612.47. Now, I would have considered that, okay, this video is pretty bad, the video didn't do well, and I will stop making videos online, right? But few months after that I make the video, a couple of months after I made the video took off. And this is how YouTube works. You can make a video today and nobody gets to watch it, and then 6 months from now the video takes off and you start making thousands of dollars from that same video. So this is why I encourage my students, and I encourage everybody that cares to listen, that you should just put views and subscribers behind you and focus on delivering value. People can see value, and you know what else? You know what else? You know what else? People, even brands, can see that you have something valuable and they want to identify with you. Currently, this is the amount of money that I charge for dedicated videos, right? I just recommend a brand and they pay me this amount. If I wasn't making videos, these brands wouldn't contact me for me to make videos about their business and pay me. And aside from that, you also get to make money from affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, affiliate commissions, and all of that. So if I'm talking about a particular product, I can just put the affiliate link. And if you like the product, you just use my affiliate link and make the purchase. You get a discount and I get a commission off of it. I can't even begin to imagine how much I've made from the affiliate sales. And again, you get to sell your products, your services, if you have anyone. So this is why I keep recommending YouTube. Does it come easy? No, but it's something that grows gradually. But when it eventually grows, as long as you have the right mindset to be able to wait for it patiently for it to grow, then you're going to be in money. You're going to be making thousands of dollars, because at the end of the month, whether or not a brand pays me, whether or not I make money from affiliate marketing, I make any sales for my coaching sessions or my mentorship sessions, YouTube is going to pay me good amount of money, right? And that brings me to number 3, which is similar to YouTube, and that is blogging. And I talk about blogging a lot because a lot of people have a lot of misconceptions about blogging. When I mention blogging, a lot of people think that blogging is, posting news on Instagram or Twitter. No, that is not the blogging I'm talking about. I'm talking about writing articles, writing about things. It doesn't have to be news. In fact, I wouldn't even recommend that you do news blogging, right? You can write articles on anything. You can write write articles on how to make money online or how to develop yourself, self-development, relationship between you and your boss. You can just write things that you know, write articles. And if you write a bunch of articles, you're going to be making an insane amount of money. And the biggest way we make money as bloggers is through affiliate marketing. And that brings me to number 4. But before I spill the number 4, please go ahead and like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. Because the more you like it, the more the algorithm picks it up and shows it the people that are going to benefit from it. And you don't want to be the only one to benefit from this video, right? So go ahead and hit that like button and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. I trust you're going to do that because I've actually given out a lot. And right now, here is the 4th one, which is selling digital products. Now, digital product has made me a lot of money, and I've shared about it on this channel over and over again. And one thing with people is that people are drawn to things that are not realistic. Like, oh, here is a website that rich people dash people money. They want to just watch all those videos, and at the end of the day, you don't get to make any money. But listen, with the 3 things that I've mentioned already, the web designing, if you learn web designing, you're going to be making an insane amount of money. Have people made money from it? Yes. Is it still working? Yes. Are there still people looking to design websites or looking for who is going to design websites for them? Yes, of course. Now, number 2 is YouTube. Do people make videos and make money from YouTube? Yes. There are a bunch of people that make millions of dollars from YouTube. There are even kids, 5-year-olds, 10-year-olds, 15-year-olds that are making an insane amount of money on YouTube. So if a 5-year-old can make millions of dollars from YouTube, why do you feel you can't do it? Why? And then for blogging, of course, articles, those articles you see on Google, maybe you type, how do I tie my shoelace, or how do I knot a tie? All those articles, all those results that you see were written by people. At some point, someone wrote the article, and as you clicked on that article, the person got paid. Now, back to number 4, which is digital products. Let me quickly show you my screen so that you can see how much I've been able to make from my digital products. So here you can see that in 16 days, that is starting from 1st of March to 16th of March 2024, I've been able to make $7,497 from the comfort of my home. And for the benefit of doubts, to clear your doubts, right, let me just go ahead and refresh this so I can see that this is not in any way edited or manipulated, right? So here you can see that it's real, 100% real. So all I do is sell digital product, and I'm going to be sharing the digital product that got me this in a minute. Let me also go ahead and still go further to prove this to you. So I'm just going to go over to others. Here you can see the people that made this payment, and this one is still processing, and this one is canceled, this one is canceled, and you can see the names and the time they made the purchase, and then you can see the purchase here. Now, do you know that I've shared the secret, this same exact secret that I use in achieving this on this channel? But guess what? A lot of people just watch videos for the sake of watching videos without implementation, and I don't want that for you. I want you to act fast. You don't even have to create your own digital products. You don't even need to set up anything serious, and you're going to be making an insane amount of money. So what I'm going to do for you is that I'm going to keep this video here. So go ahead, click it to watch the digital products that you can create from the comfort of your home free of charge and start selling right away. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.